students, in our previous maths video we have seen simplest form of a fraction and converting unlike fraction into like fraction. Now in today's video we are going to see how to compare two fractions, means how to decide which fraction is greater, which is smaller. So let us study when the fraction have same numerator but different denominator. With same numerator and different denominators. For example, take any two fraction with same numerator. 13 upon 4 and 13 upon 9. So here which fraction is greater? They have same numerator and different denominator. So if two fractions have the same numerator but different denominator, then fraction having smaller denominator is greater of the two. On page number 25, last two lines you can check. Fraction with smaller denominator is greater than the fraction with greater denominator because numerators are same. Another example, 13 upon 4 is greater than 13 upon 9. Second example, we can say 10 upon 8 and 10 upon 6. Here which fraction has smaller denominator? Obviously 10 upon 6. Means here 10 upon 8 is smaller than 10 upon 6. One more example we can take. These were the improper fraction. You can take proper fraction also. 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 4. Here 5 upon 14. Out of 14, 5. And here out of 7, 5. Means which fraction will be greater? Obviously 5 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 14. Then next comparison we have to see with same denominator and different numerator. With same denominator and different numerator. So here you can now take two fractions with different numerators, that is 14 upon 7 and 9 upon 7. Same denominator, different numerator. So here the numerator greater the fraction, because 14 upon 7 is greater than 9 upon 7. Why? When we find their simplest form, here we will get 2 upon 1 and here we will get one integer 2 upon 7. Obviously 2 integer 0 upon 1 or 2 upon 1 means only 2 is greater than one integer 2 upon 7. Another example of this type, 103, or don't take these larger fractions. for better understanding you can take smaller also. 3 upon 17 and 10 upon 17. Now here how to compare? The smaller numerator when denominators are equal is smaller, or greater the numerator greater the fraction. That you have to remember. Means 3 upon 17 is smaller than 10 upon 17. In this way you have to write 5 examples of each. Means examples with same numerator and different denominator, and example with different numerator and same denominators. Okay, let us see next part. When both are different, no numerator or no denominator is same, both are different, that time how to compare. Now we will see. Let us see comparison of fractions with unequal, means different numerator and different denominator. Now there are conditions applied. If A upon B and C upon D are two fractions. Here if A upon B and C upon D are the two fractions and we have to compare them. So we have to cross multiply A into D and C into B, or B into C. In this condition, A upon B is greater than C upon D when A into D is greater than C into B. Means in simple words, without multiplication we can write A into D is greater than C into B if A upon B is greater than C upon D. Then only if A into B is greater than C into A into D is greater than C into B. For example, now in this way some of you may get confused. So take one example, 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 8. Now here A means 4, D means 8, B means 7, C means 3. So we have to find product cross. 4 into 8, 7 into 3. 4 into 8 and 3 into 7. We don't know which fraction is greater. But when we find out product, that time we can guess. 4 8s are 32, 3 7s are 21, 32 is greater than 21. Therefore, 4 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 8. And vice versa also you can write 3 upon 8 is smaller than 4 upon 7, because product of cross multiplication is smaller than this cross multiplication in this way. Then A upon B and C upon D are equal when one more possibility is given. A upon B is equal to C upon D if A into D is equal to C into B. This is the second possibility. One more third possibility is given. A upon B is smaller than C upon D if A into D is smaller than C into B. So in these three ways we can check. Now how it will be equal? For this example I will give you here. 3 upon 8 and 6 upon 16. 3 into 16. 16 3s are 48 and 8 6 are 48. Means 3 into 16 and 8 into 6. 48 is equal to 48. Therefore 3 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon 16. A upon B is equal to C upon D. In that way you can find out. For this also it is like first one. So you can write two examples of these types. So in next video we will see how to arrange fractions in ascending and descending order, and then operations of fractions. So write down these today's points. We have compared fractions with same numerator with and different denominator, with different denominator and same numerator, and with unequal denominator and unequal numerators. Thank you.